Hello friends, thank you so much for your response. Your likes and subscriptions motivate us to add more videos. Let us understand the thoughtful motivation quote today. Don't limit your challenges, challenge your limits. There is a big difference here between the two phrases that work together to create the full meaning. Don't limit your challenges is about overcoming being defensive. It's about fighting against the safe thing to do, what is comfortable, and where you are complacent. After acknowledging those limiting beliefs on how we are diluting risk in our life or monitoring expectations, we can now overcome this scarcity mindset and work through those areas where we are being defensive. Then the second part of the quote, challenge your limits, could be seen as offensive. This is about stepping into the unknown to discover what you are capable of. It's leaving your prior expectations behind to find new frontiers. You don't know what you're fully capable of until you ask yourself the question, what's the worst that can happen? You fail? You will not fail if you approach it as an experiment. The pain in being defensive is that you never realized your potential and takes the form of regret. The pain in being offensive is that you get rejected or fail. But it also means you try to do something meaningful. So which pain do you want to choose?